Hey guys, welcome to the 9th video of this series, JavaScript Simplified from Computing Genie. In this video, we'll be looking into the type of operator and see how it works. We will also be looking into the different arithmetic operators in JavaScript. In the last video, we looked at the differences between a variable and a constant in JavaScript. If you haven't watched that yet or the videos uploaded earlier in this course, I'll leave a card above and you can check them out. Now that's out of the way, let's open up VS Code and take a look at the type of operator. This operator is used mainly to identify the data type of a particular variable and display it in the site itself or the console. So if we can clear all of our code right now and just have the price variable and the show message function left, we'll now type in the type of operator beside our price in our show message function and run our code and see what it shows as an output. Once you have the code running on your browser, you can see that it has identified the variable as a number, which is our expected output. If you put the same number in quotes and save our file, it displays it as a string this time, and this shows that our operator is working just fine. And that's the type of operator in a brief. If you want to learn more about it, I'll drop a link to the Mozilla Developer Network down in the description, and it gives you more information and use cases of a type of operator. Now let's move on to the second part of the video, and we'll now be having our first in-depth look at arithmetic operators. So you may know these simple signs when you perform arithmetic calculations, and they have an identical function in your line of code. In previous videos of the course, we looked at basic additions with numbers, and in this video we'll be looking into the commonly used arithmetic operators individually one by one. So the first operator we'll be looking into is addition, and this is as easy as it sounds. Let's quickly now just declare two variables, and we'll name this as tax rate. We'll give it a numerical value of 10. Once done, we can type in an equation where we are going to type in price equals to price plus tax rate. This is now the newly updated price variable. So now we can go to our show message function, and let's now type in price and run our code. And as you see, the final value displayed is now 25, which is our expected output. And for this part of the tutorial, we'll pin the browser to the right and we can see the changes accordingly. Next, let's use the minus sign, which is used to subtracting the values, and after saving the file, you can see that our newly updated value is 5. Now let's look at the star sign, which is used to multiplying values. And like expected, the values are multiplied and we have a final result of 150. To divide values, you can use the / as the divider sign doesn't exist in most modern day keyboards. Once saved, you can see that we have a result of 1.5. The last arithmetic operator we'll be using is called the modulus operator, which is represented by a percent symbol. And what it does is that it gives you the reminder value when you divide the two values. So if we implement this in our code and save it, you can see that it shows the reminder value you'd receive after dividing the two values. And those are the commonly used arithmetic operators in JavaScript. In the next video, we'll be looking into more about operators and operator precedence. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like on the video. If you have any suggestions regarding the content of the video, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to Computing Genie with bell notifications so I'll never miss out on another tutorial. And that's it for now. I'll see y'all on the next one.